game now. Stimulation change, no more problems, no more argue, no more asking who really are you. I know the real you, you know we feel you, you know he hears you, you know we with you. Straight from Beirut, Chicago, Beirut, you pray, we pray too, you pray, we pray too. Never too late for him, save you. This show, movie, cause no one can play you. Devil, lay down, this that level, make devils pray now. Hold up, no peace, hold up, police, don't call police.
If you're frustrated by many things that you need to learn in your dance journey, it is essential to consider before learning any technique or any concepts, you need to be aware of your body and music, and then when you are able to dance and just having fun, you can pay attention to techniques and learning new tools in order to make your dance more attractive and professional. Today's concept is space or thread and needle. That is a popular technique among dancers. And before we learn this technique, we need to know about our bodies and the points that we need to play with while we are freestyling. First thing you need to know is that our bodies are made of 7 points. The first point that we can consider is our ankles. The second point is our knees. The third point is hips, 1, 2. And the fourth point is our shoulders, 1, 2, and the fifth point is our elbows, and the sixth point is our wrists, and the last one is our neck and head. So when we know about our points, the next stage is we have to play with these points in our dance. For example, when we are dancing, we need to just touch our points and use them with our palms. So now we try to tap these 7 points with our palms in order to feel them and be aware of our body points.
No more promos, no more photos, no more logos, no more Michaels. We on Bezos, we get payrolls, trips to Legos, connect like Legos. Make this vinyl, make this my eyes closed, burn false idols, Jesus disciples. I can feel your pain now, I done bled my vein now, new level the game now. Stimulation change, no more problems, no more argue, no more asking who really are you. I know the real you, you know we feel you, you know he hears you, you know we with you. Straight from Beirut, Chicago, Beirut, you pray, we pray too, you pray, we pray too. Never too late for him, save you. This show, movie, cause no one can play you. Devil, lay down, this that level, make devils pray now. Hold up, no peace.
After playing with these points, we reach a level that we need to create a space with our palms, with our hands, and then use that space to go through. For instance, when we create a space like this, when we touch our point in our heads, we have this space. It is called thread, and another arms go through this space that we call needle. So thread and needle, thread and needle. So first we create a space in every point that we want, and then with another arm we go through that space. Then we change our space and do it opposite. Then in here and here. So follow me in this practice to learn how to use thread and needle. First point is in our head. So we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go to shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then our hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our knees, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can create a space with our arms and then go through it by our feet. Like, for example, create a space like this and then go through and out, through and out, and go through and out, go through and out, through, out, through, out. All right, you can play with a lot of things and however you want. So it's just a practice. You can explore more.
Michael! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Now that you've learned how to do space and thread and needle, I can help you to explore this technique as much as possible in order to become more comfortable with this technique. The first thing that you need to explore is, one, I made a drill for you to use your space and directions 360 degrees and level while you're using this technique. You can improve your coordination because we use this technique mostly with our arms and using our hands, but in this drill we have to use lower body as well, like a footwork. The footwork that we have is kick, ball, change, like kick, ball, change. So with one kick, ball, change, we go back. Kick, ball, change. And then from this position, we go forward with another leg. Kick, ball, change. So as simple as this. We use 360 degrees and all the directions that we have. So repeat it. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. And then the opposite side. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Again. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. It doesn't matter you use which leg when you are doing this. The only thing that matters is using your space 360 degrees.
Hold
The second stage is our arms. We use our arms in the same direction that our feet go. The movement of our arms is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your arms sharply in these directions. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The timing of our arms is 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last stage is that we add our space. The first space is like 1, we go through on the beat 2, and again 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. When we want to use our hips points, we change the level a little bit like this to use this space. All right, let's go. Ba 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 bum ba 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 da 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 da. And make sure that you use different rhythms to use this technique. For example, you can use bum, 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 like this. Bum, 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 bum. Or you can use bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. You can use double. For example, duplicate your arm move like this. Boom, 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 bum, 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 bum. And the last thing that I want you to explore is that when we use thread and needle, most of the time we create that space and then we go through that space. But an essential thing for you to know and to implement in your dance journey is that you have to reverse what you've learned and change it. For example, thread and needle. What if we start from needle and thread? Like needle and thread. Needle and thread, needle and thread, needle and thread, needle and thread, needle, thread, needle, thread, needle, thread, needle, thread.
No more promos, no more photos, no more logos, no more Michaels. We on Bezos, we get payrolls, trips to Legos, connect like Legos. Make this final, make this my eyes closed, burn false idols, Jesus disciples. I can feel your pain now, I done bled my vein now, new level the game now, simulation change, no more problems, no more argue, no more asking who really are you. I know the real you know we feel you know he hears you know we with you, straight from Beirut, Chicago, Beirut, you pray, we pray too, you pray, we pray too, never too late for him, save you, this show, movie.
Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you've learned a lot. Make sure that you implement all the things you've learned, because after watching a tutorial, it's necessary to practice the stuff that I've taught. Thank you for joining me in this channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.